Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about Metamask. And Metamask is just a decentralized application on the Ethereum blockchain. And so it's going to be an experience to help you set up Metamask. A lot of you may have had Metamask, but if you've not had, this is going to be the first time, you know, supported on several browsers like Chrome. And so you just click install Metamask. You click install Metamask, you Chrome because it's a Chrome extension. And it's going to ask you, you know, for permission. So you add extension. When you add extension, it's going to download it, and then of course you get started. So you click get started, and if you already have a wallet, you can import the wallet, and you create wallet if you don't have a wallet. So in this case, we're going to create wallet, and they'll ask you a few things, and you agree, and then you like put your password and confirm it. Now this password is not your seed phrase. Your seed phrase is more important than the password. Okay, so you put your password in there, and once you have put your password in there, excuse me, you also have to put your seed phrase. So where I have blocked out is where your seed phrase will be, and these are 12 words that you need to copy and save somewhere, and then you click remind me later if you like. I'll click next in this case. So once you click next, like I said, you'd have written it down, and these are some of the exchanges that you can use MetaMask on. And more of them are coming. You can actually do a lot of swapping. I mean, MetaMask has really stepped up, and it's just a great place to do your stuff. All right, so now we're inside your wallet. On the top there is your wallet address, and if you click that, you go to information and help. You see the version of MetaMask, and you can come back to your basic page, and go to settings, and the settings you can actually change the currency, and you can select your primary currency as well, leave it as Ethereum or change it to fiat. If you change it to fiat, it's going to remain as the US dollar, and then it's the amount you have in Ethereum will be shown in dollars. You can also select your language, depending on what part of the world you're at. And you go to advanced. If you go to advanced, you see your login phrase. You can download your logs. You can reset your account, and you can also do advanced gas controls. I don't mess with advanced gas controls under any condition.